Today, we're going to be covering movement within the principles of design. While the elements of art are what artists use to make art, the principles of design are what artists use to make art pretty. Movement is the path that your eye takes whenever it goes across an artwork. Now, this could be implied through an artwork actually moving or trying to imitate movement, or it could be how the artists make your eye track around a specific path by using either actual lines or implied lines, or by creating a sense of contrast that allows your eye to gradually transition across the artwork. As an example, I'm going to allow you to look at this artwork for a couple seconds. The reason why I gave you some time to look at this artwork is because no matter where you look at in this artwork, your eye is always going to be transported to the center. And now I'm always going to have somebody that says, but Mr. Gray, I was looking over here in this corner and it didn't. No. That is movement. That is your eye being gradually told what to do just by visual cues and implied lines that is dragging your eye in a spiral pattern into the center of the artwork. Another more historical example is the Great Wave. Your eye focuses in on one area specifically, and that is the wave. And then once you see the wave, you notice that the wave has movement and power that is curving up. The lines drag your eye up to the crest of the wave, and then your eye anticipates that something's going to happen. And you see those little fingers almost reaching out of the edge of the wave crest itself, like it's trying to grab at something, which makes your eye move down to where the wave is reaching, which is the ship. And that's when you realize, oh, there's boats on the water. That is movement and how your eye can move through an artwork. Your assignment today, you're going to be creating your very own artwork that shows movement. You are not allowed to copy off your neighbors. You are allowed to look up references online. However, you are not allowed to copy those references directly. Use them as a source. Do not use them to plagiarize. Thank you all very much. If you have any questions, let me know, and I hope this video was helpful.